Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT Lightning. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a standard range battery, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Max Trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back, here we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, the nice Lightning logo, and the lights. We do get extended gripped running board on either side of the vehicle, bed camera with blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors, side view camera, a place to plug in your vehicle, and moving to the front, we do get that customary LED light bar that goes across the front of the vehicle, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice faux grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a mega powered frunk, which you can open on the key fob, the button on the lip here, which provides you with tons of storage under the hood, with lights, a little escape route, and Power Onboard. Hooks and doodads hold your gear down, as well as your normal storage underneath, tire pressure sealant kit, mobile power cord, and to close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does CO2.5 pretty comfortably. We have the nice gray cloth interior, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, cup holders and storage with rear vents, USB-Cs, 120 volt, and a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, trunk, or Frunk lights, parking brake pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 50 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. We got a digital speedometer there, and our average battery range with my view, trip, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select that is collapsible storage, cup holders, storage with some outlets, your center console with tons of storage underneath, with your trailer brake, Protrailer assist, heated front seats, and dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above, below, on the dash with hazards and traction, 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles, which you do get your nice bed camera. Look in here, we have our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls, navigation right here, with your fave apps such as messaging, email, Power Onboard, charge settings, driving assist. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it will locate you to your nearest public charger, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is WG06828, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.